Welcome back to my channel. This is Jordan and I am back today with another video. So today we are going to be not unboxing because I've technically already unboxed it, but an unboxing for What's the Tea. Okay, fun and full of exposure. Tea Oracle cards. So this is an 80 card deck. Okay, so it just comes with keywords. It's supposed to just like, I guess, fill you in with certain things, that could be going on, right? So let's give it a look. And I will plug the deck in my description box, okay? So, for instance, dirty offer. Ooh. Love on the brain, dreaming, fantasizing, daydreaming, nostalgic. Somebody's daydreaming about you. This person could have a bad reputation. You could have a bad reputation, right? Carless. This person ain't got no call. They ain't got no call. Repoed. Person could be haunted by you. So these are kind of like really just in-depth kind of keywords. Just, spice the readings up. Just more extra clarification cards. Same shit, different day. An obsessive lover. Somebody who's dangerous. Things that you may need to be aware of. Karmic friends. Jesus. Cock blocking. Goodness gracious. Somebody's threatening. Ooh. Happiness hater. That's not bueno. Inside scoop, a closer look. Somebody being all up in your business. Somebody telling you to dust it off. All right, universe telling you to dust it off. Got bankrupt. Got too busy women. I like that. An offer. Okay, so y'all see what the back of the cards look like. What's the tea? Life is like tea. You must calm down to face it. Impersonator. Not they got Michael Jackson on here. This is the impersonator for Michael Jackson. That's really crazy. This deck is messy. I'm sorry, guys. This is funny. Wants to be like you, acts like you, dresses like you, looks like you, copies you. Want to be like you. Groupie art. Okay, romantic love affair. Of course, you always want to know about that, right? So we got moving on. Crying over you. I know y'all want to get a reading with these cards. I know you do. Somebody's always partying. Yikes. Hooked. Whoa. Uninterested. Legal issues. No bueno. Girl fight. Arguments. Physical fight. Competition. Somebody's at war with you for some reason. Rejected. No, ma'am. No, sir. Played out. Situation played out. Fake smiles. Goodness gracious. Bad karma. Love triangle. Third party lover. Multiple lovers. Choices. What's the tea? Marrying for money. What's the tea? Move in silence. Dirt digging, looking for dirt on you, or vice versa. You could be looking for... The card's gonna call you out too. Y'all be thinking that these readings be, oh, this person thinks this. The readings could be for you too. And I hope when y'all know that they resonate with you, you take it... you take it for what it is and take accountability for that, Because, say for instance, you getting a reading and this card comes up and it says, oh, wants you back. You'll be like, oh, my ex wants me back, but it's really you. You want them back. You feel me? So you have to be honest with yourself about your situation, because I only know so much. I only do divination tools, okay? I use my divination tools to bring you the same, right? So running. This could be physical. This could be literally running away from your problems. This could be running away from you, running away from love, running away from commitment. Queen rising. Oh, I like this one. Okay, stepping into your power. You praised, coming up in the spotlight, period. Caught a case. Oh my gosh. Sexual infection, sexual disease, and rashes? All right. Moving. Okay. Somebody could be moving behind your back, period. Creativity. Now, why they put this man on this card for this? Steals your ideas, copies your work, duplicates, and feeds off of you. Okay, I can kind of see why. All right. This person ain't got no facts. Never has the facts. Make his shit up. Lies. Period. Boss daddy. Who is this? Okay, stable, rich, business owner, CEO, big dick energy. Somebody's clout hungry. Says anything, does anything, makes shit up. More lies. Dramatic as fuck. Dramatic as fuck. Bad habits, drugs, addictions, and toxicities. No bueno. I think I already showed this one. Dirty offer. Dirty offer. Okay. And what's so crazy is I won't be doing readings with just these cards. These are just what I'm going to pull for clarification. So imagine that. All right. Ain't shit. Like I would never do a full reading and just like, oh, you're dodging bullets. Oh, they're ignoring you. Like, no, we're not going to use this deck for that. This is more so an oracle. This is just to pinpoint, okay, things that may need to come out with the tarot cards for extra clarification. So just so you guys know when you're watching readings, just be aware tarot and oracle decks are different. Okay, ain't shit. Never gonna be shit. Spiritual hater. Hates on your spirituality. Hates on your light. Can't stand that you have magic and power. Okay. Unfazed. Not really the same as unbothered. Unfazed is just like, I see what you're doing and you're kind of just like, whatever. I don't even give a fuck. I don't care that deeply. Forcer. Not good. Force things on you. Forces their way in. Uses force to get what they want. Fuckers. Shine. Your light irritates their demons. That's usually what it be like, for real. Can't stand seeing you win. Creeping. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that motherfucker. Creeping. Unbothered. Okay. Period. I'm relaxed. I'm not even worried about what the fuck you got going on. I'm in my own little world. Reflecting. Okay. Photo proof. Getting evidence. That sounds like blackmail. Giving money. Okay, period. I like this. I'm gonna have to put this on my altar just cause. And light a green candle. With it. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay. You need to know that, huh? In their head, they're overthinking, they're stressed out, they're overanalyzing something. Okay, then we got dodging bullets, blocking negativity, escaping crazy people, protected by haters. Well, scarcity tactics and thirsting. Divination abuser. So if you've ever gotten a reading before and you feel like you kind of felt weird afterwards, or you felt like your reader probably put some type of hex or some spell or some just your energy is just off after you get a reading, okay? This could possibly be what comes up for you. You just feel weird after watching somebody give you a reading, okay? Stalker, stalking, watching everything you do. They're obsessed. It's giving creep. Hustling, making it rain, focused on money and getting to the bag. I love these little cards, man. Stop playing. Travel. Okay, you're gonna get that vacation. I feel like that's more than travel. Travel is like, I don't really see vacation with that. I feel like that might be like more so like a long term. I don't know. We'll see though. You know, could always be different ways, interpreted different ways. Cyberbully. You are being bullied online, or they have. Oh, that's a typo. Or they are has suffered from it, etc. Okay, somebody's suffering from cyberbullying, or you are cyberbullying. A person could be. All right, here's a positive card. Into you. Oh, good chemistry, great vibes, positive relationship. Okay, period. Fake flexing, acting rich, flosses, money, acts fancy, shows off, etc. They really don't got nothing in the bank. Living a club with nothing in the bank. Anyways, fishing for comments. I feel like this could be like a person who's just like doing shit on purpose, trying to get you like to say something to get you out of your character. All right. Somebody could be kissing ass. Oh gosh. Thief. Ooh. Well, they robbed. Somebody got robbed. You got robbed. Taking a loss, a theft, physical or emotional. Thief. Okay. Ignoring. Somebody talking to somebody. Somebody is ignoring that. Jackpot. Okay, that's positive. Period. Winning. Winning money. Got rich. Inheritance. Unexpected money. Okay, full money coming in. That's a good card. Talking shit. These cards are messy. Drama starter. Somebody could be just starting some shit up, you know, for attention, for whatever people be starting drama for and attention. Wasting time, excuse me. Stuck, no changes, limited. Okay, this person is just, this could be a situation or a person. I always say person for some reason when I explain cards. But stuck, no changes, and limited, right? Wasting time. Person ain't gonna change. Just get up out of there. You gonna be wasting your time, money, efforts, ego, hurt ego getting in the way of relationships, etc. A few more, guys. Grudge holder. Screenshot. Ooh, somebody's getting evidence, proof, and facts on that ass. Fake accounts. Oh my gosh. Fake social media accounts to spy. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Somebody got a fake account. They stalking you because they looking you up on a burner or some shit. Researching you, studying you, getting information on you in some type of way, some sort. That's the tea.